Hello, seventh graders. So here we are looking at one of our online, after we've accessed the dashboard, one of our Holt McDougall online lessons. So this is our interactive lesson. So this will be something we might assign to you just so you can get more familiar with the content. This is kind of like you would almost have something to replace an in-class lesson with your teacher. And it's interactive and you can participate with this just the same way. Right as we get started, let's show you a few of the cool options we have on this program. So down here is a little ABC, and a little toolbar is kind of in the way. But this is a nice little glossary that kind of helps you with different math terms. So once it pulls up here, you can see all of our different math vocabulary that we can go through that you can click through to check that out. Another nice feature is our little toolbox here. So we have a calculator available that you can use on here. Also, you could probably use your Chrome calculator or even your phone. That's something we're okay with this year. But this is inside the program if you needed it. So let's go ahead and look. There's an essential question video that you play the video. It gives you a nice little intro to the lesson. You go on to your next thing. And as you see, it talks to you, but also will give you chances to interact with the content.
Start by finding the sum of 3 plus -2. Start with 3 positive counters to represent 3. Add 2 negative counters to represent adding -2. Form 0 pairs to determine the sum of 3 plus -2.
And then it would have you actually interact with this. We gotta check. I don't know. Let's think. Maybe. Okay. Hopefully this works. And you can check it. And there's some.
Let's practice with the.
And there's other cool things, ways to interact with this. I'm going really fast, just kind of showing you some of the functionality. The personal math trainer here, the whistle is something you actually would click on this whistle to get a couple extra little practice problems. And this is kind of just a warm up for you guys to see what you need to do on the different problems. You fill those out, answer those. It gets out the little video tutor, gives you a step-by-step example on here. And then it also would give you other ways to try the different video tutors and things. So let's go ahead and go back and real quick and exit out of here. And then you go to the very last thing.
Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer.
And at this point,
it includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
And at this point, it might leak you to your homework. And that brings us to our next video, which we will focus on homework specifically.